In this video, I'm going to show you two parts. The first part, I'm going to show you what the teacher sees looking at and using the quiz module in Moodle, and how you enable our new iLearn Secure browser plugin. So this is a two-part thing. There's a plugin for Moodle, and there is also a Chromebook app that a Google for K-12 administrator could very easily deploy throughout your district on every Chromebook device in your district. And with the combination of the Chromebook and Moodle, you now have a rock solid testing environment. And let's just dive in and we'll take a look at what you see as the teacher and what you see as the student on the Moodle side of things. And then I'll switch over to the Chromebook and show you what you see on the Chromebook with the iLearn Secure Browser app. So here is a quiz with the secure browser enabled. And when you click on it, we've integrated it with the Fortson theme. So Moodle 3.5, Fortson theme for 3.5, and the set of plugins that we'll go into in a little bit get you this. So this quiz is secured with the iLearn Secure Browser. A Chromebook must be used to attempt this quiz using the iLearn app. So, however, I am logged in as a teacher, so I can ignore that and go in and take the quiz. Moving back, and let's switch my role to a student. This is what the student sees. And the only thing they can do is go back to the course. So they cannot even proceed beyond this point, okay? Again, if you have a quiz with it disabled, the student can go in, they can attempt the quiz just like normal. So let's return to my normal role and let's look at the quiz settings. So when I go to edit settings, and what we've done is we inject this setting right here through the plugin, require iLearn Secure Browser. Required or not required, and save and display. So it is one more option that you can use to secure your test. So this is the Moodle side of things. Oh, and I should point out, if you're in the quiz, and let's say somehow the student tries to cheat and maybe just use the URL and maybe they're already in the quiz, watch what happens if I switch my role to the student while looking at the attempt. You get error information. Okay, so it definitely does not allow the student to view the quiz. That's the Moodle side of things. And then I'm going to switch over and use my cell phone to show you the iLearn Secure Browser app operating on a Chromebook and what the student sees and some of the features of the app. Okay, so this is using the Chromebook, and the way that you launch the app is you have to go down to apps and you will see the iLearn Lockdown browser. So once you launch that, it takes over your Chromebook. It also uses a nice audio signal that is forced upon the students, so they cannot turn that off. And that's an alert to the teacher knowing that they rebooted the iLearn Lockdown app. So what you have to do is log in. So hold on one second. Now that we've logged in, we can go into any number of the courses. So let me try one of these. We'll try this. And here is an example. Now, something to point out, I can go forward, I can go backwards right now, okay? Once I enter the quiz, you are not allowed to leave the quiz. In fact, the only way to exit is to turn off the Chromebook. So that essentially locks them down, and you cannot open up pop-ups, things like that. It doesn't allow it. So let's jump into this quiz here. Again, this quiz is secured with the iLearn secure browser. It gives it a warning, but let me switch my role to student. Okay, so I'm in here as a student, and I can continue. So here is the one and only question, and so you can continue this. However, watch what happens when I try to go back to the home button. You get an error, page load block. That page is not allowed. What if I want to go to one of my other courses? Page blocked. Once you enter into the quiz, you are in the quiz until you turn off the iLearn app. The only way to do that is to shut down the Chromebook. So once you start the quiz, you're in the quiz until you've submitted your answers. So that's kind of where we're at with this. And also, you know, it doesn't allow any other tabs, things like that. We thought of a whole bunch of different ways that kids, you know, might try to get out of here, but you can see anywhere you would click, it is blocked. So we thought of lots of ways kids could try to cheat, and the only thing that you can do is view the quiz. So thanks for watching, and that's just a quick update on our iLearn secure browser plugins coming to Moodle.